This is my Wahl super taper. It started getting really noisy even when the adjustment screw was turned out correctly. So I took off the blades at the front and did a test, and still sounds really noisy. It got slowly like that over a period of a few cuts. It's 10 years old, but it's only done my hair and my son's hair in that time, so it shouldn't be worn out. Everything should be fine inside. So I took it to pieces, very easy. This one's a little bit, doesn't want to come out. You have to be very careful. I saw online other people saying that the plastic these screws into is soft, so don't over tighten them, otherwise you'll just carry on spinning. So I'm just using that top white deck to try and put pressure on the screw. That's the 3 screws out. Inside the taper, these ones apparently are for adjusting how high the white bit goes up and down and the pressure it puts on the blades, and people have suggested adjusting that. I don't, but I did notice that there was a little bit of rattle on this side, and it turned out just this big screw at the front was loose. So tighten that down, and then I realised that actually that screw was loose as well, so I've tightened up both of those screws, and then I'll put it back together, noting you do need quite a big gap here. I tested it and it was quite small, made a lot of noise, and I thought I'd done something wrong, but I hadn't. It just wasn't a big enough gap there. And I always test with the blade still on. I don't know why, it makes it quieter. So put that back on. Let me test again. Nice and quiet, and that's, I can see the blades are moving much more than they did before, so I'm guessing that's going to cut far better.